Did you know you can change the Taobao app from Chinese to English? So let's get started. We need to sign in. To do this, click on the icon at the bottom right. To change it to English, click the gear icon at the top right. Pay close attention to the next step to avoid making mistakes. Click on the fourth option, then on the first option, and after that the fifth option. Once that is done, click on the second option. There you will find the English language settings. I choose Singapore to demonstrate, but if your country appears in this list, you can choose that instead. You can also select your preferred currency as well. To apply the changes, click on Confirm. As you can see now, the Taobao app has successfully switched to English. Share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.